Hi guys, how's it going? Today I wanted to show you something I'm doing, and I wanted to explain a few things as well. Put the light down. So here what we're looking at is the, hang on a sec, I think my lens is a little dirty. Alright, we're good. Okay, so right here you're looking at the V6, the base model grille, and the grille surround. And this right here is the GT grille. So for those of you that are trying to convert your front grille of the Mustang from that to this or something, maybe like the Boss or the Shelby. Well, the Shelby is something different, but if you want to convert this piece to this piece on your Mustang and it only has the base stuff, or if it's a base model, you're gonna have to buy this piece right here. This is the grille molding. Let me show you the serial number. I'm sure they're all the same. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Give me 1 second to focus myself. So there you go. That's the serial number, or that's the grille number, the part number, whatever. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's it right there. That's the part you're gonna have to buy if you want to convert your grille from the base to the GT or the Boss or whatever. Let's focus this. So anyways, what I'm doing today is obviously I took this off and I'm swapping it out with this. I already took the pony off and I put it on to the new one. This is the GT grille. For this one I couldn't find it anywhere besides the Ford or a Ford part website, specifically to Ford. I forget the name of the place. I think it was Ford Part Central or something like that. OEM Ford. I don't know. But I took the pony, put on this one. Yep. So if you take it off, you're gonna have to break these bits off. So I went ahead and fixed it, put it on here with super glue so it doesn't move, and it's worked so far. But what I'm doing, the reason I wanted the GT is because it has these fog light openings. And what I'm doing is, let me see over here, if that shows well. Not sure if it's focused. Oh, this thing sucks. Let me try. Just do it myself. There you go. So this, I'm putting LED rings. If you've ever seen the movie Need for Speed and you like the Mustang on that movie, my favorite part, my favorite styling cue of it is, excuse me, is that it has those really cool LED rings. These aren't LED, these are neon or flexible neon strips, but I think they look the same. I think they look pretty clean, almost reminiscent of the RTR lights on the new 15 to 17 Mustangs. So that's kind of what I'm going for. But pretty sure I've never seen anyone do this without the actual fog lights. I hope this is a first for, besides the movie Mustang, I hope this is the first for anyone to do. You know, the first of a kind, or at least on a V6. So anyways, yeah, right now I'm just gluing these strips on, making sure it shows enough on the front. I don't care if this part shows because it's going to be at an angle. You're still going to have to put this in beside this. This is going to be blocking it off from the top, and then the actual whole front bumper is going to stick out a little more further than this does. So this is going to, this little bit right here isn't even going to show that much unless you look down and get low, but I'm not worried about that. So let's just keep going and let's just finish up. I also want to show you guys what it looks like from the back. So yes, the front looks one way, in the back it's just basically, for now, it's just super glued on. It comes with little brackets. You can screw this flexible piece onto whatever you're gluing it onto, or whatever you're trying to connect it to. But in my case, I'm just trying to see if it works, if it looks good. So that's what I'm worried about. Right now, I ran out of super glue. I had some other brand, but this is what I went and bought. Just some generic stuff, just to make sure it works. I mean, I can always buy another set of strips. It's really not that expensive. It was like $7 on Amazon. It came with obviously the wire that sticks out, and then the other wire that you end up having to splice to whatever you're gonna end up splicing it to. Now the cool thing about these rings is that, or the strips, is that they have amber lighting in them too, so you can use them as turn signals or hazards. And I'm debating on doing that, or just having them be daytime running lights, just the white light. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna finish the other side, and then as I'm wiring it, I'll decide if I should do that or not. Okay, Okay, so I finished this side, and I didn't really explain what I'm doing. So I'm gluing this right here just for temporary, I don't know, just for looks basically. This is not going to affect any of the performance at all. I just wanted to stand out from all the other Mustangs that I've seen, especially the V6s. I want my car to stand out. So this is the best way I can think of without going too crazy or too expensive. So what I'm doing here, since it came with 2 individual strips, see how the wire I put to the outer, towards the outside of the grill, towards the sides of the grill. That's so this wiring has a better chance to reach anything else that I want to splice it to, because this is not very long cable. Let me show you. It's basically that's as long as it can do. 1 second. That's as long as it comes. Now I could buy more wiring and whatnot, but I don't want to do that. So I just made it easier on myself and did it this way. So once I have it set in position, I go back with the glue and I just re-glue the outside, not the inside, so it doesn't look all dirty. So just the outside, just the outside right here, like all around. And that's all I'm gonna do. Let me do that real quick and it should be done. Okay, and then we just let it dry. Then the next thing we're gonna do is I don't know, wiring, just wiring, and then we should be done. Okay, so I finished all that and I taped the back so it doesn't have a weird backlighting. It's kind of janky, but you know, whatever, it does the job. This is only temporary for now. So now I'm just gonna put it back onto the grill surround. This is the piece I was telling you guys that's necessary for converting your grill from the base to the GT or the 302 Boss. So the way this goes, I'm trying not to pinch the wires. Let's put it in this way. Make sure the wiring is on the back. And then it just pushes in. This is all really simple stuff. Really easy the way it goes in. Okay, that's in. It's this corner. I want to see what I'm doing. Make sure the camera sees what I'm doing actually. So that's in. Doesn't have a weird click because this is a little softer material, but that's okay. Wish it would have a satisfying click, honestly, but at least I know it's getting the job done. Okay, that's done. Check it out. Now this is what it looks like with, you know, in the grill. It's a little, oh, there we go. Okay, so that's what it looked like in the grill. See how from this angle you can't really see the top where the end of the strip is. So that's fine because it doesn't show now, and it's not going to show even more or whatever. It won't show at all when it's in the car. But first I got to do the wiring and splicing. So let's get that done first. Okay, so here we are. I've already hardwired the left side to the parking light on the side, and I'm still debating on doing the amber lighting for the turn signal, burning us in the middle. I think my lens is dirty, but here, let me show you what I did. It's already kind of hard to see. Let me let it focus. Well, see the little tab right there? That's the parking light, just the wiring for it. So it has only 2 wires, a purple and a green and black. The green and black one is negative, obviously, and the purple is positive. I just wired that to the thing, to the rings wires, and I ran it through. I had to disconnect this so it would reach because the wires are really short, but it still works. Dude, should I do that? Okay, now, listen here. You see this? What is it? Hold up. Okay. So it's a black and green and a purple wire for this bitch. You're gonna use, this is positive, purple's positive, PP, you know what I'm saying? Nudge, nudge. And black and green is negative because black is always negative for some reason in these things. So, we splice. You don't have to record this, I don't care. I'm gonna record it. Alright. Dude, on the other side, I actually just straight up cut the wire instead of, you know, bringing back the rubber piece. I fucked it up, but I fixed it because I'm a G. Miss me with that bullshit. You're not really glad I use a tourist.
Brian, did I ever tell you I wasn't recording?
Really?
No.
Thick ass. I got it. Thick ass, Brennan. Oh, goddamn, I dropped it.
Really good.
Let's try again. This side's a little shorter for whatever reason.
These are close.
It's alive. It's alive!
Oh, yeah.
And then the rest you just push in. Ooh, that was a good sound, huh?
No, that sounds really bad.
Fuck you.
I wouldn't know.
Look at that. Completed! Go. Just turn them on.